Before working with Clint, I was never really able to get what I wanted and what I needed out of a website I designed myself. I've tried tools like even Squarespace and other templates that you can find online, and I even tried doing it myself on like a Photoshop document, but nothing seemed to work. I was never able to get the design in my head onto paper like Clint Malley could. When working with Clint, he did a good job of asking me the right questions to really understand what I needed. He was able to take all the information that I gave him and perfectly plan it out for the website and lay it out in the best possible way, even better than I could have imagined. After working with him, he delivered a beautifully designed and amazing looking website that just flowed well and looked great online. If you're on the fence about working with Clint, I would say do it. He's really good at connecting with his clients and really learning what they want for their website. That way he can deliver the best possible product to you without any compromises.